In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a personal growth system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear framework to organize your goals, track milestones, and actually see your progress over time. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're new, a quick sign-in gets you into the workspace. Once you're in, we'll create a dedicated area just for your self-improvement. Head to Spaces, select Add Space, and name it Personal Growth. When you're configuring the space, make sure lists are enabled. Lists will be the backbone of how you track goals and progress, so keeping that feature on is essential. Inside your new space, create folders for each area of growth. Think of folders as broad categories that keep everything neat and separated. For example, you might set up health and fitness, learning and skills, career and productivity, and hobbies and personal projects. These folders give you a clear structure so you can focus on one area without losing sight of the bigger picture. Within each folder, create lists for your specific goals. For instance, under health and fitness, add lists like workout plan and nutrition tracker. Under learning and skills, you could use read books and online courses. The idea is that every list represents one clear objective, so you always know what you're working toward. By the way, if you don't have ClickUp installed or you prefer using the web, I've placed the download link for the apps and the website link right at the top of the description, so you can get set up quickly. Next, add tasks to represent the actionable milestones that move each goal forward. Keep tasks small and doable, like complete 5 workouts, finish chapter 1, or submit project draft. Tasks should be clear, measurable actions you can check off to build momentum. To make tracking more meaningful, add custom fields. Useful fields include goal type to categorize the work, deadline to set target dates, priority to help you focus, and status so you can see where things stand at a glance. With that, define task statuses such as not started, in progress, achieved, and completed. Achieved can mark when you've hit the goal's outcome, while completed confirms all related work is wrapped up. Finally, review your progress regularly. Switch between list view for detailed planning, board view for a visual workflow, and dashboards to see trends and summaries over time. A quick weekly check-in helps you course correct and celebrate wins. That's it. You now have a ClickUp system to track personal growth and achieve your goals efficiently. Thanks for watching.